Where to find digital code on Amazon, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can go ahead and find your digital code on Amazon on mobile in 2023. So let's just go ahead and head right into the video. So basically, you're going to want to click the little person icon right next to the home icon. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you're going to see all your orders and all the stuff you want to keep shopping for. Go ahead at the very top, click on your orders. Now, once you go ahead and click that, all your orders are going to show up here. Now, basically, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is press the filter button right next to the search bar. So just go ahead and click that. Now, it's going to say right here, filter all your orders by order type. Now, you're going to want to select digital orders and you're going to want to filter by the order date. Now, let's say you ordered it in the last 30 days. Let's just go ahead and filter by the last 30 days. Press apply. And then once it loads up, you guys are going to be able to see all the transactions and all your digital codes on Amazon right here. So it's fairly easy to actually see and it's pretty simple to actually go ahead and do, guys. But with that being said, hopefully you found this information helpful, as well as if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll go and see you guys for the next video.